Hey guys, Jay Hatch here, sales consultant at Whitby Mazda. It's a beautiful Thursday, and we got a few cars lined up in our delivery lane. That is a pre-owned Cadillac. My customers are picking that up soon. It looks great. We got a couple other vehicles there with snow tires. You know what? Let's take a quick look at those because sometimes people can't picture what their new car is going to look like with snow tires, and if they're picking it up around this time of year, that's what it's going to look like for a while. If you decide to get the winter snow tire package put on, I think they look great. Let's have a look.
Because you deserve excellent service.
So this is a 2019 CX-9. I believe it's the GT white leather interior. But regardless of that, I just want to show you, this is what it looks like with snow tires. And you know, you can pay extra to upgrade from those steel rims to get fancy alloy wheels, like custom alloy wheels. But I gotta say, I think it looks pretty badass with the black on black look here. Now this particular CX-9, it's got some other accessories on here as well as the winter tire package. Like it's got a tow hitch on there. It's got the roof rails with the crossbars. So it's got the roof rack package. And we've got a CX-3, a little bit of snow on here, no worries. And that's got the snow tire package as well. And this is machine metallic gray. I just think it looks cool. And then we've got a jet black Mica CX-3 and black on black on black. It just looks mean. I was thinking this looks kind of cool to show off. It looks like, and of course they look really nice with their alloys, and you put those back on in the spring, voila, it's almost a new car look that you've got going for you. Anyways guys, if you're looking to pick up a new or pre-owned vehicle, maybe a Mazda, let me know. I'm happy to hook you up. If you want all-wheel drive, if you want a winter snow tire package, any features that you're looking for, give me a shout. Jay Hatch, Whitby Mazda. I'm happy to help you out. Oh, and don't forget, my name is Jay Hatch, and you deserve excellent service. Guys, thanks for watching the video. If there's any information you'd like me to send your way, you can email me, jhatch@whitbymazda.com, or come into the showroom and ask for me, or better yet, reach out to me directly. You can call or text me on my cell phone anytime, 905-391-1637, or you can hit me up on my social media. You know, I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, hashtag JHatchMazda, or you can check me out on my website, www.jhatchmazda.com. Find a little bit more about me and how I can help you get into an amazing Mazda of your own. Thanks guys, see you soon.